Hello friends, welcome to Sociology for Competitive Exams. In this video, we're going to have a look at August Comte's theory of law of human progress, law of three stages. I'm planning to upload many videos on sociology. If you are preparing for competitive exams like UGC NET, TNSET, state government exams, please subscribe my channel. Definitely this channel will help you to understand the various technical concepts and theories on sociology. Let us discuss the biographical sketch of Auguste Comte before getting into the theory. His full name is Isidore Auguste Marie Francois Xavier Comte. He born on 19th June 1798 in Montpellier of France. His father is a tax official Louis Comte. His mother is Rosalie Bayot. His family believed in Roman Catholics. His wife is Caroline Massin. Later, after some years, she separated from him. Later, he fell in love with Clotilde de Vaux. She died of tuberculosis. In 1814, he got admitted in a very prestigious university in Paris, École Polytechnique, where there are many professors or scholars in physics, maths, and also they are interested in understanding social disorder, social problems. He influenced by L.G. Bonald, Joseph de Maistre, and Condorcet. He keen on studying human affairs and social problems. Since it is a French Revolution, there were many changes in the social order. There are many social disorder as well as political uh, disorders. He died on 5th September 1857 of stomach cancer. Now we're going to have a look at the theory of law of three stages. Before I have his major ideas, he believed that sociology as a science of society. He is familiar with the term scientific study of society. He is very familiar with positive polity and positive philosophy and positivism. He emphasized that the study of society must be in a systematic way, and sociology must be used for reorganizing society. He says that sociology will help us that how to replace disorder by order and how to bring about a social reconstruction of society. And he wanted to develop a naturalistic science of society, how we have naturalistic science for other scientific studies like biology, geography, uh, we have physics and maths. Similarly, we can also develop a naturalistic science to study the society, and this naturalistic science of society should explain the past development of mankind as well as predict its future course. He is very familiar with the term positivism. He coined the term positivism. Positivism is an approach to study the society scientifically with the evidence of observation, experimentation, and comparison. This is called naturalistic science, as has been discussed. So, he also introduced the term historical method, which means studying the present and the future society by comparing the history or past society, which is called historical method. He propounded major theories like law of three stages, hierarchy of sciences, and static and dynamic sociology. Now, let us discuss the theory of law of three stages or theory of law of human progress. He has categorized the evolution of human mind, evolution of social life into three stages. Stage 1 is theological stage, it also known as fictitious stage, it is imaginary stage. When an individual in childhood, he will believe whatever the parent says, he or she will have devout belief or will have unfolded belief. In the second stage, the individual will have metaphysical stage or abstract stage. It's purely ideas oriented. This stage is also known as adolescent stage, where the individual started asking, questioning the abstract notion of existence. When a parent says something, the adolescent individual will ask question, what is the reason behind it, why there is a particular thing existing. So likewise, the adolescent stage individual will ask question. This is called transformation stage. Augustcom says that the stage 2 metaphysical and abstract stage is a transformational stage from theological stage to positivistic stage. In stage 3, the individual will be in adult stage, where the adult will believe whatever is there in the society. They will believe the fact with the scientific reasons. They will do scientific experience. They will have scientific experimentations and observation and comparison. Then they will believe as a fact. This is called the positive stage, also known as scientific stage. He also categorized the evaluation of social life into three stages. Stage 1 is theological stage, when an individual there is living in the primitive religious society. He will have a devout belief, like believing on religion, having belief on god and goddesses, culture, religion, without having a proper reason, just doing particular activities and practices. That is primitive religious society. For example, when an individual believe that the smallpox and cholera are the expressions of god's anger, that is stage 1, theological stage. Just having devout belief, unfolded belief on particular object, particular religious practices, that is called primitive religious society. In stage 2, there will be people with idealistic idealism, always raising questions, having new ideas, creating new concepts and thoughts. That is idealistic society. He says this is the transformational stage, where the society transformed from primitive religious society to scientific society. Third stage is scientific society, where the individual will have a scientific knowledge on particular thing or particular activity in the society. This stage is also known as a positive stage or scientific stage. If we take theological stage, Auguste Comte has explained about the animism, fetishism, monotheism, and polytheism. These are the religious beliefs. Since the theological stage is about belief, he explained about animism. Animism is refers to a belief in animals, plants, rocks, rivers, weather systems are having some superstitious power. And fetishism is a belief in a particular human made object that has a power over others. We can control other people by controlling the particular human made object, that is fetishism. Then monotheism is belief in one god, polytheism is belief in many god or goddesses. In this theological stage, he has explained many things. I have given important concepts here. Now I have some criticism about this theory. If you look at this theory, he failed to suggest a fourth mode of thinking, that is socialization. When we are in scientific stage, we can find a number of ideas with different kind of concepts, different kind of theories, how the individual understand the particular ideas and theories, how the individual socialize with all those ideas and concepts or theories. So he failed to suggest fourth mode of thinking, that is socialization. And it is similar to so religious approach, since he believed in systematic method, since he believed in scientific study, he initiated the theory from religious approach. So this is the second criticism about this theory. Then he didn't explain about the admixture of three stages. If you look at the current society, we have tribal people who have who strict belief on religion and object and nature, and we have people with idealism, who believe in ideas. We have people, those who believe in systematic study and scientific knowledge. So he didn't explain about admixture of the three stages. So this is what I observe from this theory. If you have more criticism on this theory, you can add on. So every individual, every social scientist will have a criticism on their theory or others theory. So there will be criticism whether it is perfect or not. There will be definitely criticism on a particular theory. So this is my short notes on three law of three stages. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you have further comments, you can comment in the chat box or comment box. I'm planning to upload many videos in this channel. Thank you for watching.